We are here in Kendu Bay. Kendu Bay inapatikana Homa Bay County. So guys, courtesy of Furnitech tumekuja huku kufanya renovations kwa nyumba ambayo iko hapa kwa Kendu Bay. That guys, I always tell you we work all over the country na tunajaribu kupatia client ile kitu client anataka. We have a stall house ambayo ilikuwa imekaa sana, so the client ameamua kuchukua services zetu right away from Nairobi, and now we are in Homa Bay. Wala wajui iko pande wa Kisumu County, Siaya County, hizo zote ziko huku. So we are in Homa Bay exactly kwa Gladys Wanga. So come with me, nataka nionyeshe exactly what we are doing. Cheers. So guys, we are here now at this compound where we are going to do one of the biggest bungalow in this area, to be precise, Kendu Bay in Homa Bay County. The client is not around, as you can be able to see. I'll walk you through, you understand why I'm saying the client is not around. We are here for him to give the best. This is a client who has gone to our website at www.fkl.co.ke and realized that we are one of the best companies in Kenya that deal with interior and exterior finishes. When I say interior and exterior finishes, guys, I mean we can be able to do for you the plastering work, electrical work, tiling work, ceiling, gypsum, not forgetting even roofing, external finishes, maybe painting, a wall master, all of them, guys, and we ensure that we give you security to your doors by putting in a very strong steel windows and steel doors. So guys, I want to take you through inside here. You see, before we start this work and what we are going to achieve, you'll be able also to see. So guys, I want you to be with me all through inside here, waonyeshe venye kila kitu kiko, so that as we start you'll be able to know that we are actually the best in the country when it comes to interior and exterior finishes. Guys, when I say the interior finish, I want you to come with me inside here. You see why I say we want to do actually everything and we hand it over to the client. But before I do that, come I show you something. You see, guys, this is a very big problem. This is a crack, and it's a serious crack right away from here all the way down. Reason number one for this crack, there was no hoop iron in between the courses to enable this wall to be strong enough to hold this mortar. You can see now the cracks is going all the way. When you have such fundis on your side, guys, what do you expect? This is now what you're going to rectify here. When you call us on time, the way this client has called us on time, you will not be able to see any cracks whatsoever at this particular home. Now come with me inside, come with me as I show you whatever we are going to do. So guys, welcome. So guys, as you can be able to see, all this area all around here, this is the perimeter wall going all the way, the perimeter wall all the way. We're going to put electrical fence to ensure we give this client enough security for this particular compound. As you can be able to see, the cameraman is showing you the mansion over there, or the bungalow, sorry. We are going to do, this is a 3-bedroom bungalow. We are going to ensure we put in the plastering work, the finishes in the house, the stores, the windows, the flooring works, and the ceiling. So we are going to try our best to do this work in the next 3 months. Tukue tumemalizana na kila kitu. It's a bushy area, guys, as you can be able to see. Come with me. Very bushy, but not that bad. We are managing everything and as it is. So guys, this is the type of sand we are having here. Every country you go, you'll realize you get different types of sand, but this one is good because it has a lot of chip, and I think it's going to do a good job when it comes to plastering. I'll give you the finishes you'll be able to see so that you can judge this particular thing. But on my right or left, we have a site office whereby one room is going to be our store and the other room is going to be where my guys are sleeping. So guys, tumejipanga vizuri as my cameraman is following me really good. So this is one of the frames we are having, the 4x2 frame, and we are doing the roofing. Before we do that, we ensure that the frame has been treated so well. You treat it like this to enable it to last longer, and also to enable it isikuliwe na insect or anything. So guys, you stay tuned. I keep teaching you these things that will help you to do your homes. So this is the elevation side of the house. Elevation front of the house is massive big, so big, so big. As you can be able to see, when you come inside, you are being welcomed by a massive living room. Look at this living room. The living room is so nice, so big, so spacious, everything intact, as you can be able to see. People believe that when you do your house na matofali haiwezi kukua sawa. Who said? Look at this matofali. And remember, this house has been there for the last 3-4 years, and the matofali is very strong and it's holding the house strong. So kama mko kule remote areas, you're wondering, huko kwetu hakuna machine cut stone, huko kwetu hakuna sijui nini, you will understand why. So this thing is like that. So come with me, I continue showing you. This is the living room, and we are going to the master bedroom. Come along with me, I'll show you the master bedroom. So in this master bedroom, guys, we're going to ensure we do plastering all over. The plastering is going to be massive good. We're going to do electrical provisions all over. We ensure where we're going to have a headboard, and the lightings are going to be very massive. So here, guys, as you can be able to see, we have our electrician now trying to make follow-ups. Everything iko imeingiana vizuri. The provisions for the electrical zitakuwa paka kwa hii room. This part of the room, your kids room. Let's go to the next room. Before the kids room, guys, we have another bedroom here, another massive bedroom here. I think this is now the master bedroom. You see, the master bedroom has been done in a very great way, whereby enough sufficient light is coming out. The natural lighting will be enough in this with big windows. So once we start doing our finishes, the house will have like everything intact. And not forgetting, this is the master bathroom area or the washroom areas. We have everything intact here. Look at our plumbing works ongoing right now. So guys, this is part of the things I always tell you. When you are doing your plumbing works, when you are doing your electrical works, you do this before you do the plastering. Reason number one is to ensure that the pipings are inside. Reason number two is to ensure that once you've done this, you can never hack the wall or weaken the wall again, because as you can be able to see right now, they have done the hacking, but now they'll plaster it over to make sure the wall is strong. All the way guys, look out what is here. This is one of the pipes that takes waste outside. So also the slab has been hacked. It's going to be down the slab. So this is one of the reasons guys, when you have a very qualified person, you are advised not to do the floor screed before laying in these particular pipes. Make sure you have it at the right time and you have done a good job. Here we are going to have our toilet here. This is the window outside, and this is where you can enjoy your things while you are standing in this particular bathroom. Here also a walk-in closet. So guys, come along, I show you something else before we wrap up. So here guys, here we go. Here we are going to have our dining. This is the dining area. It's massive big, also nice for this particular house. On my left here, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is massive big, as you can be able to see. Come along with me. You see the way we are doing our thing, everything is going also to be intact. So guys, I want you to stay tuned as you come along with me. I keep showing you these things. Here we are having our pantry area. Pantry area is actually here, and this pantry area guys is a bit smaller, but now that is it. We're going to make it beautiful, look nice. We already have a provision for the window, only to put in. This is the backyard of the house or the compound. We have nice trees huku nyuma kwangu. This was, you can able to see this water tank, but we normally advise our client to have at least a bigger tank, maybe 10,000 or so, to enable him get enough sufficient water for such a particular house. But we'll use whatever we have here. One of the reasons why we're using such is to cut costs, but we always advise our clients to get the best out of the best. If you have a big house like this one, you need to pump in money and have the best. So guys, this is Fred, the director and the organizer and the engineer, Furnitech Kenya Limited. If you are looking for a contractor, looking for somebody who can be able to do for you a particular work, such particular finishes in Kenya, outside the country, South Africa, Uganda, Tanzania, we are here for you, and we're going to give you the best out of the best, trusted and already seen. So I am here because I'm known all over the country. I'm here because I'm not a scam. So if you are looking for someone who can be able to do for you good jobs, we are here for you. We've passed all the terrain. I'll be able to show you to arrive here, just to ensure that our client is happy with our work. Stay tuned for more for part 2, when we'll giving you how the progress is, and I hope you will enjoy this video. See you